When the unit is first installed, you will not see your hot water temperature and the actual temperature of your thermostats. You need to go into the menu, press the button once here to go into the sub menu, then use the right arrow to go over to the cog symbol into initial settings, press the tick to access, and scroll down using the down arrow to find temperature display. Access temperature display by pressing the tick button, and you see at the default the temperature display is off. Because we have two Mitsubishi wireless stats here, we want to be able to see the temperature. What that means is the room, we will see the room temperature of the thermostats. Tank will obviously give us the tank temperature, but we want to see both in this scenario. So we look for room and tank. We need to confirm that by pressing the tick, confirmed, and come back out of the menu. Now, when we go back to our home screen, we now have our actual temperature of zone 1. We now have our actual temperature of zone 2. And now you can see hot water is reading 44 degrees. If initial settings isn't activated with the temperature display to room and tank, you will not see the following symbols.